All right, guys. So this kind of movement in the market is what we refer to low resistance area on the chart. Okay, I will explain what low resistance areas is all about, and I'm going to show you guys how to capitalize on it. Like for example, this was the whole reason why I took a trade yesterday on Friday. I usually do not like to trade on Friday, and you guys saw my screenshot that I posted. This move, just this move yesterday, gave me 5,000 US dollar. I'm going to teach you guys what low resistance areas is all about, but usually it is referred to after a very big move in the market. For instance, this move that took place from here to here, when there's big volume in movement in the market. Now, sometimes you may not be able to catch this big move, but what we are interested in is the next move after this big move, okay, which is this one from here to here, which is this move right here, and also this move right here. You will definitely keep seeing it almost every week on any instrument you trade in the market. You will see big moves like this. Now, most times big moves like this are triggered by economic calendar. Okay, you guys know what took place this day. What triggered this move was the United States election that took place on 6th of November, this Tuesday. All right, now most times you may not be able to catch big move like this, but we are interested in the next move after big move, because after big displacement in price action like this, so many traders get confused on what to do the next move, not knowing that this is a big opportunity for anyone to make as much money that they want to make. Now, like as I was saying, now low resistance area, like from here to here, it means that only one particular side of the market are in control at that particular time. For example, from here to this place, this movement you are seeing here is more than 100 pips movement. Now, at this point, only the sellers dominated the market at this particular time. You can see that you have just series of consecutive bearish candles. Now, one thing about low resistance areas is that it does not necessarily have to be big candles like from here to here. From here to here, from this place to here is almost 80 pips to 90 pips. It does not necessarily have to be just one big candles. It could just be smaller candles, but the goal is that only one side of the market are in control. For example, all here are bearish candles, bearish candles, bearish candles. This is what we call low resistance areas. Now, this one is different from GBP USD because I saw both of the market, because I saw both of them yesterday when I wanted to trade. I would have traded this GBP US dollar, but I saw that Euro USD has more low resistance areas, because at this point on GBP USD, there was an interference, okay? This green candle that showed up, all right? This green candle that showed up. So that is what made me to choose Euro USD, to trade Euro USD. And if you want to capitalize on low resistance areas after that big move, or after low resistance area have took place in the market, there are two ways of trading low resistance areas, which I'm definitely going to show you guys in this video. The first one is trading back into the range, and then the second one is trading out of the range. Now we are going to start with this first one, but I want you guys to understand that low resistance areas are areas that will have just one singular consecutive candles, like bearish candles, bearish candles, bearish candles. And most times this is triggered by the economic data release. That's why I always encourage students or traders, before you go into your market, before you go into the week, make sure you always know your economic calendar for that week. Make sure you already have the economic calendar for that week. Like, that's why I always advise you guys, make use of this economic calendar here, because it is easier. All right, you can see today is Saturday, the period I'm recording this video. There's no data release this day, but you can easily go to the data release of next week you want to trade by just clicking this button here, and then it will load up. And I've showed you guys how to filter it. If you don't know how to filter it, I'm still going to show you guys how to filter it in this video, so that things will be easier for you guys. You just click on this button here. Let me cancel it. All right, because I have saved mine, I'll just click on it, then my settings will show up. You can just easily screenshot it and use it to set up your own. All right, you can see the type of event, economic indicators, event and holidays, and all that, status, and all that. My own goal is that I'm interested in major impact release, because only major impact release can cause low resistance liquidity areas in the market. Okay, that is this red stars you are seeing here, and I'm interested in majorly the currency pairs that I want to trade. But if you want to extend your currency pairs, you can just tick other pairs right here, and then click confirm, and then it will be applied on your chart. Then take note of all the data release. For example, now we have FOMC members speak this week. Although this FOMC speech does not necessarily affect the market, I'm interested in other major data release, like this CPI that is coming up this week by 2:30 p.m. Nigerian time. You can see So we know that next week there will be big volatility again, just like the one we saw this week during the election time. So we have PPI this week as well at the same time. So I'm interested in USD news. This Federal Chair Powell speak is definitely going to impact this market next week. So be ready for that. So what you need to do, come here, and I'm even happy that about the economic data release of next week, because we'll have volatility in the market. Okay. So like as I've told you guys, now that we have new government in power regarding the US dollar, the market is definitely going to be easier compared to the last 4 years. All right. Now let's focus on how to capitalize on low resistance liquidity areas, because most times you are not going to be able to catch this first move sometimes. Just like this week, I wasn't able to catch it. It was already at night here in Nigeria time. Before we woke up, the market has dropped massively. So sometimes you may miss this first move, but you don't want to afford to miss this. I told you guys that just from here to this place gave me 5,000 US dollar on just one of my accounts. And someone may look at this place as a small move. No, this is not a small move. This is more than 100 pips right now. The reason why it appeared to be a very small move is because people do not understand that after this kind of displacement in the market, a big range has already taken place in the market. So just from here to here is more than 30 pips. Just from here, let me measure it so that you guys will see it. Just from here to here, you can see 40 pip. So let's take a look at how many pip from here to here. That's why it's very, very good. You want to capitalize on big range in the market. See, from here, do you see as I'm moving, we are now above 100 pips. I know very well. I saw it yesterday, more than 100 pip on my account. You can see. So this is about 120 pip movement just from this place to this place. So don't just take a look at it as a common movement. Like, no. This is an opportunity for you guys to make money after a big displacement in the market. Now, some people get scared that because after this big move, they are worried that, the market will be in a consolidation for some time, or they are waiting for price to come back to this level here. That's why you need to make sure you watch everything in this video, as I'll show you guys how to capitalize on this move. Okay. Now, the first thing is that, because if you take a look, there are two movements here, from here to here. From here to here as well is more than 100 pip, you can see. And then from here to here is also more than 100 pip. This is about 200 pip capitalization. All right. Now, at this point, there are two types of traders. Like personally, in the past, I usually love to trade back into the range. Yeah, personally. But now that I'm mentoring people, though I have a strategy that can help me to trade back into the range, I don't teach my students that strategy, because not that it doesn't work, but I just want everybody to just do one thing, focus on one thing. That's what we're doing on this mentorship. We trade mostly continuation direction. All right. So from here to here is more than 100 pip. If you want to capitalize on this move, you are fine. But one of the reasons why I don't love to trade back into the range is because of, at this point, we are going against the direction of the market. So it becomes very, very more, it's like lifting a very heavy load. But most of the time, you're going to make money. All right. I'll show you guys how to engage on this kind of move. But the one I'm much interested in is this one. This is the one I took the trade on yesterday. All right. And I posted it on Telegram. This is the one I took the trade on. I posted the signal, my mentorship group and all that. So here, let's start from this place. To capitalize on this move after a big displacement in the market, the first thing you need to do is go to a lower time frame. Remember, we are interested in this place from here to here. Okay. We are interested in this place. One good thing you need to do is go to another time frame. Now, I could easily go to another time frame here, like go to 5 minutes or 50, because I'm interested in lower time frame at this point. I can go to 6 minutes or 5 minutes, but I want another chart, because that's the reason why I am using this platform to create this video for you guys, this fast book, because with this platform you can see how I navigated from GBP/USD to EUR/USD very, very easy. This is one advantage of using this platform. You can navigate from one pair to the other, even from one different market to the other on different time frame. And one good thing you can also do is that you can make it a template, monitor all of them in real time by clicking this button right here. Look at these tile windows. If you click on it, then you can split all your charts into one screen. Okay. And you can monitor them on real life. Okay. That is one beautiful thing I love. If you want to maximize any one of them, just click on this maximize button and then you come back to only this singular chart. That's one beautiful thing I love. You can hide all these things here, make your chart very clean. Hide all these things here, make your chart very clean. Hide all these things here, make your chart very clean. The role of this button is in case if you have linked your live account or your demo account, you can see I have account right here. Okay, at this bottom of my screen, I have account here. So you can execute trade in real life right here. Click on your buy button, your sell button, put your lot size and all that. So this place is a good platform for you guys to use for your back testing, use for your trading, your live trading, demo trading, and all that. Okay, let's get back to what we are talking about. So I'm going to open up a new chart on Euro USD. Okay, bring them close, right? Close this one here, then drag them closer to this point. This one will not be on 5 minutes time frame. If you want to use 6 minutes time frame, 6 minutes and 5 minutes time frame, they're almost the same thing. You can, I've told you guys, you can customize this thing here by coming to favorite, then click on add time frame you want. I think only this platform have that functionality. 2 minutes, just click on confirm to be added there. I don't want to do that right now. So 5 minutes time frame, and then you can see this move so smooth. This is the one we took yesterday, but this is not the one I want to talk about now. Okay, I want to talk about the first one, trading back into the range after the big displacement. Okay, this is where it starts from here. Even though I don't need to go to higher time frame, like go here, like I know that definitely this is where the move started from. Okay, because I monitor this market closely. All right, now at this point, after that big displacement in the market, the first thing we need is a change of direction on this lower time frame, and it took place here, this level here. You may decide to ignore this first one, all right, this first break of structure, then focus on this second one. We just want something that is very, very strong, very, very confirm, all right? So after this break here, all right, after this break at this point, this second one, I would definitely prefer this one. Remember, I told you guys I did not trade this move back to the range. All right. I'm just trying to teach you guys how to do it if you really want to do it. All right. So this one will be the one I would have taken. Then use this place as a retracement because this is where it broke. And then use here as a retracement back into the range. You can see how price came back to this breaker block, like so precise. All right. This will be my entry here. All right. This would be my entry. That is if I want to trade the retracement. Now, the retracement, sometimes it favors some traders. The reason why I don't trade it, like I've told you guys, I'm not a mentor. I mentor people. I have a mentorship program. So when I was just alone, trading by myself alone, I had so much time. I could do a lot of things that I want to do, But right now, I just want to focus on only one trading system that we use in the mentorship program. So, and trust me, guys, that system is massively producing results back to back. Now, you can see, even though I don't need to drag this thing to the upside all together to the upside, but what we are interested in here is that this first level, okay, this is our entry level, all right? Now, that's for those that want to trade back into the range, okay? And this is where we took our sell. Now, what actually made us take this sell is that we saw this kind of scenario again, all right? This kind of illustration here. This one I just showed you guys, all right? After price have changed direction, then we waited for price to change direction as well to the downside, which took place here, okay? Price change direction to the downside. This thing I'm giving you guys like a blueprint. Okay, now price change direction at this place. All we just need to do is look for either a retracement for our entry, first entry, second entry, depending on how many entries you want to take, okay? And then we write this into the downside. I still have one account that is currently holding this trade. That one is at 3,000 US dollar currently as I'm recording this video. Now, I told you guys that low resistance is the best area to take a trade. Now there was a reason why this big move took place. The participant that took place here, okay, that pushed this market from this place to this place to this level, they are still active, ready to push this market again. That's why I personally prefer to trade this outside the range, okay? So the participant that push it to this level, they are still very, very much active, ready to push it again, okay? So with that mindset that, okay, the players that took place here from here to here, they are still available in the market to do it. That was even what made me to trade on Friday, because I know that the players and they are still here even up to Monday. So Monday price action, we are even hoping for price to take out because this sell side draw liquidity has not been taken out, okay? So we still have big opportunities in the market. You can go to daily time frame here. Let me use this place. If you go to daily time frame, you are definitely going to see what I'm talking about. You can see we still have areas of liquidity that price need to tap into on daily time frame. So great opportunity for us here on Euro USD and also on GBP USD. The reason why I did not take GBP USD, I told you guys, you can see right here, there was a green candle here or so. it was different from this one I showed you guys on Euro USD. All right. So low resistance area in summary is that market has moved with only one side of the market, like only one color of candle. Here it was black candle. Sometimes you may still have it as bullish candle, whereby you now have only green candles going to the upside consecutively, green candles going to the upside consecutively. All right. So with that mentality of great momentum in the market, that's what we come into the market to capitalize again for the next impulse wave. Not that all we are doing is something new. Like moving from here to here is not something new. It's what most of you guys know. Moving from here to here is not something new. But the momentum that took place here is what gives us that mentality. Okay, let's smash, because the players that took place here, they are still available in the market. Okay.